Hi everyone, today I'm making cinnamon pecan muffins. Let's start with the dry ingredients. You're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of sugar, 1 cup of chopped pecans, and in my small bowl I have 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 4 teaspoons of cinnamon. Once you have your dry ingredients measured, you're just going to sift everything together into a large bowl. And once you have everything sifted, you are just going to add the pecans and stir them into the dry ingredients. Is it just me, or is watching everything get sifted just really satisfying? Give this video a thumbs up if you agree. For the wet ingredients, you are going to need 1 cup of milk, 2 eggs beaten, and 1/2 cup melted butter. Combine all of the wet ingredients together and give them a good whisk. Then you're going to add it to the dry ingredients and you're going to fold everything together. I'm using a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop to fill my muffin pan, and I sprayed my muffin pan with a little bit of nonstick spray. You'll see that I'm doing 3 scoops per muffin, and although it makes for a very nice muffin, at the end you'll see on the very last one I ran out of batter, which isn't a bad thing. You know, it's just a little bit of a smaller muffin, which is still delicious. But if I was to do it again, or if you also have a 1 tablespoon cookie scoop at home, just do about 2.5 scoops and I think that would be fine. These muffins are really simple to make and they are full of warm, cozy cinnamon flavor. They would be perfect with like a flavored butter. This is such a wonderful recipe to ease your way into fall. And if you guys make it, of course, let me know how it turns out, if you liked it. And go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I like to post recipes on Tuesdays, showing you guys what I find in my vintage cookbooks. And like this video if you enjoyed it, and leave a comment letting me know if you would try these muffins. And I'll see you guys next time on Vintage Cookery.